Decor magazines can spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on cut flowers and cut branches to use in photo shoots of homes that go into those magazines. So what kind of lessons can you take from those photo shoots? I'm Doug Walker. Welcome to the Roominess Design Files. The first thing that you can learn from photo shoots that use lots of fresh flowers in interior design is don't compare those photos to your home. That home in the photos does not look that way every day. They spent a lot of time and money getting those flowers to look wonderful and make the space look beautiful. So it's unfair to compare your home as it is every day to that home in the photo shoot. The second thing that you can take from this is the next time you're having a party or a gathering in your home, a couple of days ahead of time, go and get some fresh flowers that you can have out on display in vases or pitchers around your house. It makes your house look 100% better. The third thing that you can take from this is simply to have more potted plants around your house. If you have a green thumb, that's wonderful. You can do this everywhere. If you don't have a green thumb, like me, then your local plant store will love you if, when your plants pass away, unfortunately, you go and buy another. If you'd like to up your interiors game, or to help spread the word, hit the share and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for watching.